everyone, today I'm going to show you how to cook wild mushroom that I bought from the market. And I have hedgehog mushroom and winter chanterelle. You can see it look like this for the hedgehog. And I also have garlic, shallot, olive oil, salt and pepper. Okay, right now I'm going to cut the hedgehog mushroom in small pieces. Okay, right now in the hot pan, I have some olive oil and I add garlic. And stir a little bit. And then I add a shallot inside. Okay, after that I'm going to add mushroom inside. And stir it well. Right now I add salt, black pepper, and then keep stir it a little bit more. Okay, right now the stir fry mushroom is ready. And I'm going to turn off the heat. Okay, right now I put the stir fry mushroom on the serving plate, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my recipe. Please like and subscribe to my channel and click on the notification for more new coming video.